Kublai pi baru kini kilonggi kubor bamenta kesungi. Usumbut Menteri Rangba ke Jelabat Menteri Ketenat Kampo yang Prestone tensong ulong ba ke jengman juk Menteri Kampo yang ke Sorkar Pedeng Amit Shah Shishalong bani shimenta ha ke jengelang plenary jeng North Eastern Council NEC kalong ke kabu ke babiang ban ra biang yekimat ki bakongsan jong ke Jela Meghalaya Shah ke Sorkar Pedeng. Habakran shikilat pathai kubor Prestone lo ong ba ke Sorkar Jela kan sepen bau biang hau Amit Shah ya kajing don kam ban pentri kam ya ke inline permit ILP bat kajing dawa ban penrung ya Ktien Khasi haka 8 schedule jang kariti senshar kari India. Ulong bakine ki artli ki mat ki long ki bakong san bhai ke jela bat iki pait ba Meghalaya ulapan pauru ba ke jela klade ban penpawi kini ki jing dawa haki por ki baladem ban mentaru kan sashim kabu ban yakran biang bat umentri kampo yang kari halor ke jingkali shaphang ke railway Prestone ulong ba menta ke por ke jela ke kambu hakhmat ya ke ILP bar ke 8 schedule ulong ba ya ke railway la ban yakran hadien lada ki jingdawa jongki pat ba halor ke jingyadai ke jela bar ke jingyadai jongki try jela lala ban pen urlang na kaliang jongi kamat ke baningkong e menta ke dei ke ILP bar ke 8 schedule lada la ban pen urlong ya kini ki wei pat ki mat kum ke railway la ban se yakran hadien ong Prestone Ula benrap ru baga jingelang NEC ke dei bani kran shapang karoi ke par jong than chati lammi ni bar ke jinge troilang hapreng ki jilla rei ka sarkar Meghalaya kan omdu kabu banra yeki mat ki ba kongsan e jong ke jilla sha ke jingpet jong ke sarkar pedeng.
Tomorrow is about the NEC. So leave aside that program. But when you talk about the pursuing the pending issues from the government side, yes, for sure. If we have the opportunity of meeting the Honorable Home Minister, we will surely apprise and we will surely talk to him again about the pending issues of one is ILP and number 2 is the 8 schedule language that we have already passed in the Assembly.
In this plenary meeting is the border, India-Bangladesh border, the Meghalaya border that is unfenced, will it be taken up?
Meeting is being organized to discuss about the development, the security of the entire northeastern states. I'm very sure maybe this subject so will be discussed.
How will the state government respond to the ministry when it's asked about the railway? Why it's still that the state government has not seen any progress in that line?
Well, it is not only the question of stopping it about this project. In fact, what we said, we never said that we will stop. What we are saying is we would like to carry along everybody. All the stakeholders have to be also on board. I think that is the main issue. So right now, the most important issue as of today is about the pending issue. What is the pending issue? In fact, the stakeholders, even the citizens of the state, what they wanted is number 1 is ILP. If that is considered, then the second subject of railway project can be discussed.
Thank you, sir.